What's the meaning of Catch-22? Catch-22. Catch-22.
Catch-22. Catch-22. Catch-22 is a term used to describe a paradoxical situation in which a person is unable to escape an absurd or no-win scenario because of contradictory rules or limitations. The term originates from the novel Catch-22 by Joseph Heller, in which a bomber pilot is trapped in a cycle of Catch-22s that prevent him from getting out of military service. The result is a frustrating and circular logic that leaves the individual in an impossible position with no clear way out. Ultimately, the individual is trapped in a hopeless situation where any decision leads to negative consequences.